Okay, by the name of Allah, my dear students, grade 4, welcome back, Muhammad. I would like to thank you for your participation every day. Today, today we are going to check my progress about perimeter and area of rectangle and square. Perimeter and area for the rectangle and square. Your book, page number 837, check my progress. Okay. The first part of this page, vocabulary check. Okay, the distance around uh, closed figure is called the perimeter. Okay, which of the following is a formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle? Circle the correct. Okay, which one of for this for the perimeter of a rectangle? P equal length plus width, or P equals 4 times length times by width, or P equals length times by width, or P equals 2 times length plus 2 times width. Which one for the perimeter?
P equal E plus width.
Length plus width. Okay, Muhammad, if you remember the rectangle, for example, rectangle like this, it has two dimensions, length and width, right? If I have this length, this is another length. If this is the width, so I will have another width. Two length and two width. So which of these formulas give us two length and two width? Which one? Here I have only one length and one width, right?
Yeah.
Length plus width. Only length plus width. But I need another length and another width. So twice of the length plus twice of width, which is last one. Twice of length plus twice of width. This is a formula of perimeter of the rectangle. Okay.
Okay.
Next one. Next one. Find each perimeter. Okay. As we learned before, to find the perimeter of a rectangle or square or any figure, find the total distance around the figure. I can write here 5, same, it's opposite, and here 2, this one should be 2, and then I can add 5 plus 2 plus 5,
14.
yeah, to be 14. Otherwise, I can use a formula to multiply the length by 2 and the width by 2, then find the sum as like. Both of them is the same. So
14.
yes, answer is 14. Excellent. 14 centimeter. The unit of perimeter is centimeter. Unit length without square. Square only for the area. Okay, number 3, I have square. I can write here 2 and also here 2.
8 inch. 8 inch.
Yes, so find the total distance around the shape, or I can use a formula for square, the perimeter of square equals side length times by 4, side length S times by 4, the number of sides. So I can rewrite it like this. It will be the side length of this square is 2 times by 4, the number of sides. With the same result, the answer is 8.
Yeah.
As you like, you can use a formula or find the total distance around by adding all side lengths. Okay?
Okay.
One, number 4 and 5. Here I have this what square. So
Four.
excellent. You can add or multiply the side lengths by 4, 6 times.
No, 24. Yes.
Said Muhammad. 24. Okay, the second one it has 8 and 4, right? So it will be what?
24.
Yes, 24.
Yes.
Yes, 24. Because we had 8 plus 8 and 4 plus 4 be 24. As you said, Muhammad, we did like this. Three. Here it was 8 plus 8, 4 plus 4, it will be 24. Okay. Now let's go for this self-check about the perimeter. Here I have this one, where it's about the lesson or about the perimeter. The first one here, number one, what is the perimeter of a square building with side length of 30 feet? I have a building square, okay. I need to find its perimeter. It's a square, right? The perimeter
Yeah.
is the side length times by 4. The side length given by 30. So I multiply 30. It's not in your, okay. 30 times by 4 equals what? Equals 100. And
120. Yeah, easy.
answer is B.
B.
Okay.
Yeah.
Number 2. What is the perimeter of a square room with side
Six-
length of 4 meters?
60 meter.
Yes, I have to multiply the side length, which is 4 times 4, to find the perimeter of a square. 4 times by 4 equals to 16. So the answer could be 16. Number 3, what is the perimeter of a rectangular room? Okay, rectangular room with side length 24 and 15. Okay, to find the perimeter of rectangle, let's multiply the length by 2. Multiply this length by 2. 24 times by 2. Y is on the length. Plus Y is of what?
Feet.
Yes. 2 times by 15. And then find the product of each one. 2 times 24 is 48.
Yeah. 48
Plus
plus
2 times by 15 equals
in equal.
So find the sum. 48 plus 30 to be 78. So the answer is 78, which is letter A.
Yeah.
Okay. Next
Okay.
one, number 4, which has the longest perimeter. The longest perimeter. Let me erase this and as we did, this one was 120 to check our answer, and this was 16 to check the answer. Okay, and then now number 4 and 5. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Which of this which is the longest perimeter? A square with a side length 12 feet or rectangle with a side length 8 and 12 or a triangle with equal sides of 15 feet. I have to find the perimeter for each one. Okay, the perimeter of square. Perimeter of square equals what? Side length times by 4. Side length give us by 12 divided by 4. 12 times by 4 equals 48. So the perimeter of a square is 48 feet. What about the rectangle? Okay, the same. I have to find the perimeter of a rectangle, which is twice of the length plus twice of width. Multiply 8 times by 2, it will be 16 plus. Now multiply length times by 2, and then multiply the width by 2. The width is 12 times by 2, it will be 24. So now I can add 24 plus 16. Find the sum. It will be what? 40. So the perimeter of a rectangle is 40 feet. What about triangle? Triangle has 3 sides, as we know. Any triangle contains 3 sides. But here I have a triangle with equal sides of length 15. So each side is 15 feet length. So to find the perimeter for any figure, find the total distance around the figure. So I have to find the total of 15 plus 15 plus 15. So the perimeter of triangle equals to 15 plus 15 plus 15. That will be 45 feet. So which is the longest one? Now I have the perimeter of square. This is for square. It's 48. For rectangle is 40. And for a triangle is 45. Which one is the longest? Means which one is the greatest one? Which one? A
square.
square. Abdullah, Ainazi, and Hamdan. I'm trying to unmute all of you, but it doesn't work. The speaker. Please check in your device. See, welcome Hamdan and Abdullah. I'd like to thank you for participation. Okay, yes, Muhammad, 48 is the greatest one. So the answer is
The square.
letter
B.
Yes, yes. Okay, next one, number 5. Find the perimeter of a square with the side length, as you see, 6 centimeters. Okay, the perimeter of a square equal what, Muhammad? Yeah, side length, which is 6 times by 4. Or I can add or find the total distance around the figure. To add 6 plus 6 equals 66 means 6 times by 4 equals 2.
This 32 centimeter.
No, this is 6, Muhammad, not 8. 6 times by 4. 6 times by 4.
6 times by 4. 24.
What?
24.
Yeah, it's 24. So the answer is 24.
D.
So here the answer is B, and here the answer is D. The answer is B. Okay, is it clear?
Okay.
We ask the other students. Alhamdulillah, again, I am you, but your microphone doesn't work. Okay, let's check our answers. Here, I have finished this quiz. Okay, now we got 100%. Excellent, everyone. Okay, let's go back for the book for the next page. Going to the next page. Okay. Here, as we see here, next page, 6 and 7. Okay. Number 6 and 7. Okay, here Byron made a drawing of his room. Okay, his drawing is showing, as you see here, what is the perimeter of Byron's room. This room has a what? What the shape? What the name of the shape? The room. This rectangle. So here I have two different dimensions. It will be a rectangle. So 12, the opposite side should be 12. This is 15, the opposite side should be 15. So to find the perimeter, find the total distance around the shape to adding 12 plus 12 plus 15 plus 12 plus 15, or I can use a formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle by multiply length times by 2 and width times by 2, then find the sum, okay, as you like. So the perimeter is what? 15 plus 15 equals 30, 12 plus 12 equals 24. So the total is 30 plus 24, 30, which is twice of the length, plus 24, which is twice of width. So the meter equals 30 plus 24 equals to 54 feet. Okay, can you write this in your book, please? Have you done? Okay, Muhammad.
Okay.
Okay, next one, number 7. What is the perimeter of a square with the side length is 4 inches? Okay,
Okay.
okay. What is the perimeter? I can find the perimeter for a square by multiply the side length, which is 4 times by 4, the number of sides.
Equal.
Yes. So the answer equals to 16 inch. Okay.
Okay.
Write it please in the book. The perimeter of the square, the side length times by 4, which is 16 inch. Okay. Now I have a worksheet I sent to you already by the WhatsApp. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me show you the worksheet, and then you are going to solve it right now, and I will send it by the WhatsApp to be your homework for today. Okay. Here, find each perimeter and area. Okay. For the first answer here, find each perimeter only. Okay. For the first one, just only find perimeter. We didn't study how to find the area of this. Okay. We will study it in grade 6, inshallah. Okay. This is how to find the perimeter. Here I have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, or 3 times by 4 will be what? It will be
6 times 6.
3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, or 3 times by 4 equals 12.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so the answer here is
It
12.
is 6.
Number 2. Number 2. Find the perimeter and area of this figure. This figure is a rectangle. To find the perimeter, I have to multiply twice of the length and twice of the width and find the sum. So twice of length 4 times by 2 equals
16, yeah.
Yeah, plus y is wait. Was it the length equals 63, Muhammad? 4 times by 2 equals what?
What?
4 times by 2 equals 8. Focus, please. Y is of length 4 times by 2 equals 8. Plus y of width, which is 3. 3 times by 2 equals 6. So 8 plus 6 equals 214. So the perimeter is 14 what? Feet. Okay. What about the area? Length times by width. The length I have 4 times by width, which is
3.
3. So 4 times by 3 equals
Equal 12.
yes 12. What the unit of area? It would be square feet. I write
Yeah.
but put 2 up. It will be square feet. Okay. Number 3, to find the perimeter and the area of this rectangle, I just find the length or the dimensions first. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 5 and the other side should be 5.
5, yeah.
Okay. Here 1, 2, 3,
2, 3, 4,
5,
5.
5. The other side should be 5. The same. It's now it's what? Square. So I can multiply 5 times by 4 the side lengths to find the perimeter. Side length times by 4. Side length is
Equal 20, yeah.
so the answer will be 20.
Is 20.
And area side length times by side length. The area of square side length, which is 5 times itself times side length. Side length
5.
5. 5 times by 5 equals to 25.
Equal 25.
Okay.
Yes.
Like this, you can finish your worksheet like this. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Continue with worksheet number 4 will be 5 plus 1, 4 and 5. Okay. Find the area and perimeter. I can count here. I have just 2. The other side should be 2. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The side length
5 and
5.
5.
The other side should be 5. So this is rectangle. To find its perimeter, just
Equal 12.
yeah, yes, it would be what?
12.
No, Muhammad. Y is of length is 10. The perimeter. Y is of length 5 times by 2 is 10. Plus y is of width 2 times by 2 equals 4. So 10 plus 4 equals to 14.
Ah, 14.
14. Be careful.
I'm Mr. Aistab.
Okay. The area, just multiply length by width. 5 times by 2. 5 times by 2, which is
Equal 10.
yes, 10 square unit. It's a square unit. Square.
Anyway,
And this unit length. Just write
yeah.
unit.
Length.
The meter is a unit. Okay. We finished the session now. You can complete this worksheet by yourself at the same steps as we did. Okay. And when you finish it, please send to me by WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Have a nice day and see you soon, inshallah. Goodbye.
Bye.